Hello travelers, Beijing serves as a primary gateway to Tibet. Why not embark on a train journey from Beijing to Lhasa? From the bustling capital to tranquil plateaus, the stories unfold in distinct ways. The rhythmic train wheels carry you through this tapestry of worlds. Urban frenzy to spiritual serenity. A voyage like no other awaits. Go with Asia Odyssey Travel for a 13-day adventure that spans the vast expanse from Beijing to the Himalayan heights. Our journey begins in the imperial capital, Beijing. The grandeur of the Forbidden City and the rugged beauty of the Great Wall await. Then, embark on the legendary Beijing-Tibet Railway, a unique train ride that winds through the Qinghai-Tibet Plateau. As you traverse the breathtaking landscape, interact with locals, and acclimate to the altitude. Upon arriving in Lhasa, explore the magnificent Potala Palace, the serene Sera Monastery, and the revered Jokhang Temple. Lastly, stand in awe at Everest Base Camp, where the world's highest peak beckons. A once-in-a-lifetime experience awaits. Now, let's check the 13 days Beijing to Tibet itinerary in detail. Welcome to Beijing. Let's spend 4 days here. You can capture its imperial grandeur, immerse yourself in history, marvel at architectural wonders, and embrace the modern. On day 1, decide your time and way to Beijing. Rest assured, our local guide and driver will meet you at the airport or train station. We will comfortably escort you to your hotel in downtown Beijing. The rest of the day is free for you to explore at your own pace. From day 2 to day 4, you will visit the classic iconic attractions in downtown Beijing. The Forbidden City will take you on a journey to unveil the imperial history of the Ming Dynasty. The summer palaces will allow you to walk into the large private garden of the royal families. The Temple of Heaven will offer stories about the grand ceremony of praying for a good harvest. You will also get to experience the vibrant local life through the old hutongs of Beijing. Additionally, you will embrace the modern side of Beijing, with a glimpse of the bird's nest and water cube. Venture out of downtown Beijing to soak up the breathtaking landscape. Hike up the Mutianyu section to feel the grandeur of the Great Wall of China. On day 4 in the late afternoon, our guide will escort you to the train station for your journey to Tibet. Now, you will embark on a different adventure, a 40-hour train journey to Lhasa. 40 hours on the train? Unbelievable? Yes, it won't be boring. This scenic train will take you through the Qinghai Plateau, winding its way through incredible spots and mountains, ultimately leading you to Lhasa. The scenery along the Qinghai-Tibet train is breathtaking. As your train traverses the Qinghai Plateau, you'll be treated to magnificent views of the vast and awe-inspiring landscapes. The train passes through snow-capped mountains, rolling grasslands, deep valleys, and pristine lakes, creating a visual feast for the eyes. You'll witness the majestic beauty of the Himalayas, with towering peaks adorned with glaciers. Your train will arrive in Lhasa at noon. Your lifelong dream of visiting Tibet will soon become a reality. Don't rush, take half a day to relax and acclimatize to the high altitude of 3,650 meters in Lhasa. In this spiritual hub of Tibet, you will spend the first 3 days immersing yourself in the teachings of Tibetan Buddhism, seeking to comprehend its profound wisdom. On day 6, your train from Beijing to Lhasa will arrive in Lhasa at noon. Our local Tibetan tour guide and driver will meet you at the train station on time. At this moment, when the hada is placed around your neck, you will truly feel that you have set foot on the land of Tibet. The remaining half of the day is for relaxation and leisure. On days 7 and 8, you will have the opportunity to encounter and visit numerous monasteries and temples in Lhasa. Hike up to the Potala Palace to experience its grandeur, stand in front of the Jokhang Temple to feel its holiness, and engage in the Kora, circumambulation, around Barkor Street to witness the strength of faith. When visiting the Drepung Monastery and Sera Monastery, you will gain a deep understanding of Tibetan Buddhism and uncover the secrets of the Gelugpa tradition. Lhasa is truly a unique and amazing city in the world. On day 9, expand your Tibet tour westward towards Mount Everest. Get ready for an exhilarating journey. First, visit Yamdrok Lake, a sacred body of water in Tibet. From the shores of this revered lake, you will be treated to unobstructed views of the breathtaking Tibetan landscape. Afterward, prepare to be amazed as you get up close and personal with the Karola Glacier, located just a stone's throw away from the road. This is when you truly witness the vast and awe-inspiring landscapes that Tibet has to offer. Day 10 brings you face-to-face with the mighty Everest. As you journey onwards, prepare to be stunned by the panoramic vistas unfolding before you at Potala Pass. Continuing your expedition, you'll arrive at Rongbuk Monastery, perched proudly as the world's highest monastery. And then, the moment you've been waiting for, Everest Base Camp. Your dream is coming true. Spend a unique night under the stars at EBC. Enjoy a hot pot dinner in your tent with family or friends, have good conversations, gaze at the starry sky, and then drift off to sleep. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, isn't it? On day 11, awaken early for a spectacle of nature's grandeur. We hike to a high point, embracing the dawn's early light. Gaze out from this high perch, not just with sight but with soul, and let the vastness envelop you. Prepare to be overwhelmed. The Himalayan horizon will render you wordless. It's an experience beyond words, a panorama that must be witnessed. Following this, our journey returns to Shigatse, completing a journey as expansive as the views, where we can delve deeper into Tibetan culture. This morning, our adventure leads us to Tashilhunpo Monastery, the revered seat of successive Panchen Lamas. Let the vibrant colors, intricate architecture, and serene atmosphere envelop you. After that, we'll make our way back to Lhasa, hearts full and spirits lifted. Day 13 brings bittersweet farewells, dear guests. Our local guide and driver will be by your side, ensuring a smooth journey to the airport or train station. Fear not, for this is not goodbye forever. Until our next adventure, safe travels and see you soon. If you're intrigued by our 13-day Beijing-Tibet train tour, reach out to us for booking. As a local Tibet agency, we take pride in offering competitive prices and ensuring an unforgettable journey. And if you're hungry for more travel inspiration across China and Asia, subscribe to our channel. We'll keep you informed with exciting ideas for planning your next adventure.